We show the interpolation in Simotion, and we display this using a delta picker. The model shows the products coming in on a conveyor belt being detected by a camera system. The pictures itself are extracted here in the control system and the positions are determined. These are then passed on to the control system. The product table is processed by the picker and the products yes and no are put onto the back belt. The product's motion control are put onto the front belt. The question marks run through as defective product. In addition of the product detection, the motion controller also takes care of the control of the delta picker. Linear movements of the picker are calculated into rotary movements of the axis. The motion controller provides the speed set points for the Dynamics drive system. This controls all 8 axes of the model. That includes the 4 conveyor belts as well as the 4 axes for the kinematics. And due to the wide range of integration, we are able to provide a complete solution, including a vision system, a controller and a drive system.